Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's have a look at outline buttons. For that example, I want to copy whole buttons from this section. I just need to add one more thing between BTN and primary outline. Let me copy and paste for rest of them. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use buttons like this too. Let's have a look at size of buttons. I want to copy a button from that section. And then let me paste one more time without outline. Let's change that one as well. We will add one more class to change size of button. btn lg. Let me copy that one and paste for that one too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that size is bigger than others as you see. Let's make it that one smaller. Let me copy and put a HR and paste here. I just need to replace LG with SM. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create small buttons like this. Let's have a look at disabled state. Let me copy that button and let me remove that one. Either way, let me change that one too. And let's change that one too. I just need to add a tag here. Disable it. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is disabled. That is the difference. We use disabled state in forms. For example, if you want to keep your button disabled till fill up the form fully. Let's have a look at block button options. Let me create a div first and button. Let's assign a class name. btn info. Let me copy and paste one more time. Let's change the class name. And let's assign some other class in div. Display grid and gap2. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our button is blocked. I use gap2 to put some distance between buttons. You see guys, for example, you can make it gap 4 or gap 5. Let me copy that section and pass one more time. I want to add a couple of more classes here. Column 6 MX Auto. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it keeps itself according to column 6. Let's make it column 10. That is the difference. You can assign specific column to your button. As you remember, we have total 12 columns. So when you make it 12, it means it is block. You see guys, it is a block button. Let's make it 6 again. And lastly, I want to show another usage of button. Let me create a div and let me copy a button from that section. And I want to add some classes for div. Display grid and justify content SMN. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our button is end of our page. But when I reduce the size of browser, it's going to be blocked button. You see guys, let me increase size of our browser. You see guys, you can assign different size here. Let's make it MD. It means medium. You see guys, it changed itself automatically because our browser size MD at the moment. When you change size of it, see guys, it changed. Let's make it SM again and save it. Let's try it one more time. You see guys, our button is blocked at the moment. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.